Welcome back, everyone! You're watching V8X, the home of cinematic automotive excellence, where speed meets art and every frame tells a story. Today, we're taking you into the heart of pure performance and design perfection, the Ferrari 488 GTB. Let's explore its breathtaking angles, its roaring power, and its iconic presence, the V8X way. Let's start with the front view. From the moment this Ferrari faces you, it feels alive. The sharp headlights, sculpted bonnet, and aggressive air intakes make it look ready to attack the road. Every line is designed for speed and precision. This is not just engineering, it's emotion carved in metal. Moving to the side profile, you see the real art of Ferrari's aerodynamics. The flowing curves, the low stance, the elegant side mirrors, every element is shaped by the wind. Under the streetlights, the red paint glows like liquid fire, and with motion blur on the highway, it looks straight out of a Hollywood action scene. Now the backside view, pure drama. Those glowing taillights, the sculpted rear diffuser, and the twin exhausts send a clear message: this car means business. When the Ferrari 488 GTB races away on the night highway, it leaves behind not just the sound of power, but a memory of beauty and motion. Let's step inside for the dashboard interior shot. Inside, it's not just a cockpit, it's a control center for adrenaline. The digital display, the carbon fiber trim, the steering wheel with built-in drive modes, every inch reflects Ferrari's obsession with performance. At night, when soft neon reflections from the highway dance across the interior, it feels futuristic, immersive, and simply luxurious. Now comes the most breathtaking view, the drone night highway shot. From above, you see the Ferrari slicing through the darkness, its headlights piercing the night. The neon streetlights reflect on the glossy body as the drone captures its movement from every cinematic angle. It's not just a car in motion, it's pure art on wheels. And yes, let's talk about the price. The Ferrari 488 GTB starts at around $330,000. But what you really buy isn't just a machine. You buy passion, prestige, and the feeling of commanding one of the finest pieces of automotive engineering ever made. So, if you enjoyed this cinematic journey, make sure to like, share, and subscribe, because V8X brings you the world's most powerful and luxurious cars, captured in breathtaking cinematic detail. Turn on the bell icon so you never miss the next ride. V8X, where power, style, and storytelling come together. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next cinematic drive.